Hello, I bought a new tool for my workshop, and I want to share my impressions about it and, of course, make a review and conduct some tests. This beast is the 12-volt Bosch Professional Cordless Angle Grinder. In the package, there's an instruction manual that we'll keep in the box. The angle grinder comes with 2 extra discs, one for metal and a second diamond disc. Also included is a plastic safety cover and a tool to change grinding discs. The only thing I don't like is that you need a hexagon tool to change discs. From a safety point of view, what I like is that it stops immediately after you turn it off. Let's conduct some tests. I'll cut a square tube 2 centimeters thick. It's not as fast as a larger one, but it does its job anyway. The thing I like the most is that it can grind in small places, which was the biggest reason I bought it. It will be perfect for small jobs or to take with you. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.